Welcome again to Jungle Farm Ark Organic Farm Project. We're in the big chicken gate, and how you see behind me is the big compost, what is 80% ready, and this guy is doing a good job. And you see I come here, that means I'm turning. How you see we storage here all of levels, all green things what break down. Yeah. And we have a lot of animals in the night. We'll make this wet every night, and this guy's fucking working good. Yeah, sorry for the F word. So let's turn this and let's look the compost, how it's going and what this guy's doing. Yeah. This looks really good. And this guy's hungry of the compost. While we have so many bugs there inside. How you see? Hey. The compost smells so good and looking so good. Everything is breaking down. So I think two more weeks, 3 more weeks, 3 more weeks, and we have this finished. Hey, guys, let me turn. Why are you laughing? Okay, we will update you. How is everything? Look, these gangsters. Yeah, here in this area we have around 250 chicken. Yeah, in the free land we have a lot to eat. Here this area we make a lot layer out with old leaves and greens what all break down, and where we working all day, yeah, and find small bugs and everything what they need. Compost chicken, best solution. If you're working good and you breeding your own worms, you're 100% food cost free. Only a little bit more work and you have compost. Yeah. Okay, that's from us here. See you soon. Boom bam, your pirate farmer. Love you all.